dusty roads and skies so wide. No map here, just fearless hearts. This is where our story starts.
Miles ahead, we ride as one, chasing shadows, chasing sun. Wings hit hard, we feel alive, more than just a simple ride.
By the river, coming slow, where the quiet waters flow. No more noise, just breathe it in. Peace outside, peace within.